Hey, do you want to learn how to connect Gmail to Wingman by Emergent AI? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's go over to emergent.sh. You need to log into your account. It's going to take you over to this app builder. So you just need to press on this on the top left and it's going to switch to Wingman. Now let's press on this right here next to the plus button, or you can also find this connect button on the top. So let's press here and add integrations. You'll find that they have a lot of integrations, but on top in recommended for you, you'll find Gmail integration. If you do not see it here, you can just search on the top right corner. So let's press on this Gmail button. Now it's going to ask you for permissions. Select all of this and continue. It's successfully connected and it's taking us back to Wingman. There you go. It says Gmail is connected. And if you want to disconnect it, you can do from here. If you want to switch your Gmail account, you can do from here, the first button, switch account. What I can do is connect Gmail and draft follow-up, or connect Gmail and find unreplied emails. So let's go with this one. Let's see what it does. All right, so it has found us 5 emails from our Gmail account. And what it could do for you is draft an email, like a reply. So we can say for first one, draft a reply and then send it. All right, now you can see it has created a draft reply for you to the Emergent team. You can find it in your Gmail drafts here. So we can press on this and it's going to take us right here directly. This is the first one. So this is what it has done. You can take a look at it and you can send yourself, or you can ask the AI, the Wingman, to send this draft for you. This draft looks good and we can send it. Just like this, you can do a lot more. Anything that you would do manually on Gmail, you can ask the Wingman to do it for you automatically with AI. You can also remove your unwanted emails, like unsubscribe from newsletters and a lot more with Wingman. So it can be your personal agent that helps you with Gmail. That way, there are a lot more integrations and I'm going to make separate videos on all of them soon. If you want a video on how to use Emergent AI or how to export code from Emergent AI and a lot more, you can check those videos out on the right hand side in a playlist. So yeah, see you there. Bye for now.